I'm behind, I'm stressed. What's the single most important next step I can do to gain momentum? So, Matthew, what's the secret here? How do we get that momentum when we're feeling behind and stuck?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the dissertation process is a momentum building process, right? Each step leads to the next, to the next, to the next. And so when you get kind of knocked off that track, getting back on and getting started again can understandably be a very difficult and challenging place to find yourself. And so here's what I would suggest. We think about the dissertation. We always use this phrase, how do you eat an elephant one bite at a time, right? And so we want to take a look at the bites that we've already taken. Give yourself some credit for that and try to figure out where really are we on this journey towards a complete dissertation. And then you have to just force yourself to take that next step, take that next bite on your journey. If you haven't already mapped your journey out, that can be a very effective way to build or rebuild momentum. Start from day one. Even if you're already like a year and a half into the process, start from day one, map that journey out. What are those benchmarks? What are those steps? When did you hit them? When do you anticipate hitting them? And that will give you a sense of accomplishment and help you kind of figure out, where do we go from here? How do I get back on the journey?
I think that's really great advice. Something else that's really beneficial is focus on identifying those wins, those success points. So break it into small tasks, get that task done, and then celebrate it. And the reason we want to celebrate those tasks is we want to be process oriented. So we want to build momentum by succeeding at processes. And yes, when you celebrate those wins, you're releasing dopamine, you're giving yourself the feel good hormone, and that's going to help you build that momentum as well. And then also set those timelines and deadlines, because that's going to be really helpful for getting you moving forward and making progress.